What up, you too? Is it wrong to be a freak? I don't know. You know what? Boy, you came just in time. I'm feeling like I wanna still have some position. Let me have my fun. Whipped cream, strawberries. Ain't nobody gotta know my name. Assume the position. What the fuck up? What's up, YouTube? This is your girl Jasmine, aka Fat Girl. This is a video response to FOD's Is Wrong to Be a Freak. My opinion, hell fucking no. Being a freak, I don't really consider myself a freak. I mean, I can get freaky. I have freaky tendencies. I've been called a freak, but I don't know. For some reason, I don't think I'm a freak. Freakish tendency. I mean, like, you gotta have this. I like to be like ass slap. Nothing too free. Like a little bit of pain. Ass slapping, biting, licking, sucking, whipped cream, chocolate syrup. Don't get me started. But yeah, big girls know how to fucking throw it down. We are the freaks. But there's nothing wrong with being a freak. If you're gonna be a freak, be a freak. That's what keeps the drive alive. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah, but anyways, that's what keeps the drive alive. I mean, you gotta get nasty sometimes. You gotta get a little dirty sometimes. It keeps it fun. Doesn't make people stray. Show something new once in a while. I do got my limits. I mean, I'm not an ass person. Don't be putting nothing in my ass. I don't like nothing like that. I'm gonna lie. I was with this one guy. He was a freak. He ate my ass. I almost freaked out. I don't like nothing near it. That shit. Think about what comes out of it. You gotta put your tongue in there. But anyways, um, yeah. I'm a person. I like my shit rough. I like it forceful. I'm a big girl. You can't just give it to me soft all the time. I'm a big girl. I want something that can feel it. You gotta push it. You gotta force it. You know what I mean? But yeah, for real. Be a freak. Have some fun. It keeps it going. But anyways, on different notes, on Friday last week, my sister had a baby. I told her she was pregnant, but now she actually had the baby. So the baby's name is Janessa. Call her Nisa. Um, yeah, she's doing good. That shit's scary as hell. I love this stuff before you get pregnant, but I haven't seen that stuff. Scared the hell out of me. But anyways, yeah, as you can tell, I'm back in my towel again. I had to keep fresh. I'm going out clubbing tonight, so you gotta be fresh. You have them people, them frowsy people in the club, waving up their hands, well, yeah, whatever, and their underarms are smelling stink. Trying to call you over, bro. Hey, ma. I don't fucking think so. Bathe your fucking skin. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to go get ready. This is a short video. I gotta get ready. I gotta get the hell out of here. I'm procrastinating. I hate getting dressed. But anyways, I don't know. I'll talk to you guys later, right? Later.